5th Annual NEO 2026 Medical Innovation Olympics. Historic moment, New York City. Rockefeller Center. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Whoa. Nate, push is coming. I'd like to officially welcome all of you, distinguished leaders gathered here today in person as well as virtually. We're gathered here today because we want to drive impact that extends beyond our company, but also on our society, on the industry, and on patients. And so this event is not one where we're looking for competitors to provide 5-minute impressions, but long-term impact for generations to come. We're seeking healthcare champions.
Today we gather not just to compete, but to collaborate, to push the boundaries of innovation and redefine what is possible in healthcare.
This is just not another conference. It doesn't feel like another conference. This is a competition with purpose. It's innovation alongside accountability, and it's also leadership with that sense of urgency. Because I believe the Olympic spirit behind this event matters more than ever before, especially in the times we live in.
I'm here simply because Tim and I connected on a very basic level when it comes down to innovation. Innovation is my absolute passion. Understand if it is about a workflow issue or if it's truly a technology problem, and find a good marriage between the two. Then you start thinking about what is your current process, wherein can technology intervene to help build out a business case, not just in terms of the investment that has to be made, but in terms of cost savings.
It's the individuals inside the company that have a vested interest in measuring
Are the
outcomes.
insurance companies on board with this, or whatever group it is that's going to be paying?
Australia is one of the strongest places right now for doing clinical trials for many, many reasons. A lot of discounts, a lot of rebates, a lot of tax incentives to going to Australia.
Somebody before said focus on the patient, and everything else will fall in line. That applies at every level.
Viking diseases, and that's only because our data is limited. So if we're expanding out across the globe in terms of working together and getting past these IP and regulatory issues, the reality of it is we're missing a huge market of patients that we could be diagnosing and improving patient outcomes.
What traction do you have? What real data can you show me? And people even started using the phrase velocity instead of traction, meaning not just impressive stuff, but are you moving quickly? Is your team effective?
Your data, your technology needs to show a return on investment. If it's nice to have, it's neat to have, it's cute to have, look how innovative it is, look how it integrates in, great. You need to have all that stuff. You need to have a return on investment. If you don't have that, you're I don't want to say dead in the water, but you're just not playing with everybody else out there.
If I have a message to you all, take advantage of this incredible opportunity. Learn from each other, learn from your mentors. For us, it was a really incredible opportunity to find you. Who are our real customers and what are the real pain points? And we were really able to learn from our mentors and also from each other, and even following the competition beyond the prestige, the credibility. It was really an opportunity, and we maintained connection with the mentors.
And we've developed and pioneered these tools that allow us, for example, to make the first ever recombinant cyclosporin. And that's a big deal because right now it's a 14-day fermentation. Cost of goods are about 65%. And with our technology, we can double the yield and save nearly $3 billion in cost of goods to the manufacturers. And with the Olympics and Tim's Medical Innovation Olympics, we were able to get that story out and practice our pitch and hone it with competition and feedback. So we got a lot out of that Olympics last year. It prepared us for moving forward. We've entered into due diligence and completed that with Keiretsu, and we have a term sheet now. So
Let the games begin.
We will be able to build the case for the cost return.
Non-alcoholic fatty liver,
is now the most common cause of chronic liver disease in the world. Cumulative healthcare costs by the end of the next decade are going to hit $1 trillion.
Capture the disease complexity and the body and the physiology is the integration of technologies.
Revast is very interested in using our biomarker signature to quickly sort out segmentation for the clinical trials.
Can you give us any statistics on the disease population, like the prevalence?
Yeah.
And can you dig into the 90% accuracies?
How do leaders utilize the force and the power of competition to their advantage?
That's a fantastic question. I think the first thing that comes to mind is creating a genuine sense of urgency. That if we don't do this the right way and with appropriate speed, that somebody else will, and they might not do it as well. They might be first to market. If you're thinking about a broader focus, where new pharmaceuticals are at least nominally all patient focused. If we believe truly that our processes, our products, our therapies will be the best for patients, then the drive to beat the competitor becomes more than just winning for winning's sake. It's winning for something bigger.
People who change industries are usually the people willing to stay uncomfortable a little bit longer than anyone else.